In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create country music inside of Riffusion. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here, it should be looking something like this. Then you need to log into your account and go up to the search bar up here and click on this. Then you got two options. You can either click prompt or compose. Compose, you can create your own lyrics. You can create a sound if you want to do that, and add in a detail like a title and upload an image or prompt image if you want to do that. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose prompt simply because there's more details I can put in without just putting in a sound. So let's create some country music. And first of all, I need to put in the instrumental, or else Riffusion will add in a bunch of different lyrics that I don't want inside of the song, and you need to create the prompt. If you don't already have the prompt, you can check the links down in the description below. I have a bunch of different prompts that you can use to create country music. So let's create country music. And I have created a prompt right here called a poignant country ballad featuring intricate acoustic guitar melodies and a mournful fiddle that waves a complex tapestry of sadness, reflecting a deep sense of loss and yearning. So a sad country song. Then from here, it just needs to click create. Generate. Now Riffusion is going to generate two versions of this prompt up here. We can take a listen to how this sounds like when they're done generating. Alright, and now for the next one. And if you don't like any of these two, you can go up to the prompts again and edit however you like until you find the song that you really like or desire. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!